You know that strange moment at night? You are in bed. The room is quiet. Your phone is next to you. Your brain is tired. Your body says, "Please let me sleep." But your hand says, "One more video." And then, suddenly, it is 40 minutes later. You are watching a man build a swimming pool in the jungle with one spoon and a dream. And your English? Your English is somewhere in the corner, waiting like a sad little dog. But what if I told you that the best English practice can happen at night? Not in a classroom, not with a big notebook, not with 100 new words, just 5 minutes, 5 quiet minutes before sleep. And you do one simple thing. You tell your day in English. That's it. You become the narrator of your own life. Not a famous life, not a movie life, just your normal life. Coffee, work, messages, food, a little stress, maybe one small win, maybe one very stupid problem, but in English. This habit looks too simple. That is why people ignore it. They want a big method, a secret system, a magical app, a blue button that says, "Click here and become fluent by Friday." Sorry, that button is not real. I checked many times, but this small habit is real because your brain loves repetition and your day gives you new practice every night. You do not need to find a topic. Your topic already happened. You lived it. Now you just tell it. Here is the problem. Many English learners study English like English is a school subject. They watch lessons, they save words, they read grammar, then they close everything and return to their real life. But English needs to enter real life. Your coffee, your work, your bad mood, your dinner, your walk, your tired face in the mirror. That is where English becomes useful, not perfect, useful. So tonight, try this. Before sleep, sit for 5 minutes. No pressure, no performance, no camera, no teacher, no one is grading you. You are just talking to yourself. Yes, it may feel strange. But don't worry, talking to yourself in English is much better than talking to your phone until 2 in the morning. At least English gives you something back. Start very simple. Use 3 parts: morning, afternoon, evening. That's all. Do not tell every detail. Nobody needs the full documentary of your breakfast. Just choose 1 or 2 small moments. For example, in the morning I woke up late, I felt tired, I made coffee. The coffee helped me. That is already good English. Simple, clear, real. Then afternoon. In the afternoon I worked a lot. I answered messages. I had one boring task. I wanted to finish it fast. Again, good. No fancy words, no perfect grammar drama. Just life. Then evening. In the evening I had dinner. I watched a video. I felt better. Now I want to sleep. That is your day, in English. And your brain hears, "Oh, English is not only for lessons, English is for my life." This is the big change. At first, English feels like a guest. It visits sometimes. A lesson here, a video there, a little listening practice, then goodbye. But when you tell your day every night, English becomes a roommate, a quiet one, maybe a little weird, but useful. It starts living with you. And here is why evening is powerful. At night, your day is already finished. You do not need to imagine a story. You just remember. What happened? How did you feel? What did you do? What was hard? What was good? This is easy content. Your brain likes it because it is personal. You are not talking about a random king from 1642 who lost his horse near a castle. You are talking about you, and your brain cares about you. A lot. Sometimes too much. But that helps here. Now, do not make this habit difficult. If you make it difficult, you will quit in 3 days, maybe 2, maybe tonight. Keep it small. 5 minutes, 3 parts. Simple words. Use this pattern. Today I felt, it was, now I want to. For example, today I worked. I felt tired. It was a long day. Now I want to rest. That is enough. Really, enough. If you can say 4 simple sentences every night, you are training your speaking brain. Not your test brain, your speaking brain. The part of your brain that needs to find words quickly. The part that panics when someone asks, "So, how was your day?" This habit trains that part, slowly, quietly, every night. And when you forget a word, do not stop. Use a smaller word. If you don't know exhausted, say very tired. If you don't know delicious, say really good. If you don't know productive, say I did a lot. If you don't know frustrated, say I felt bad. Simple English is not weak. Simple English is strong because it keeps moving. The goal is not to sound like a dictionary wearing a suit. The goal is to speak. Here is another small trick. Repeat one sentence from your day 3 times. Choose the most useful one. Maybe, I had a long day. Say it once. I had a long day. Say it again. I had a long day. One more time. I had a long day. Now your mouth knows it better. Tomorrow, that sentence will come faster. Not because magic happened, because your mouth practiced, your brain practiced. Your English road got a little wider. You can also make your story a little more human with feelings. A day is not only actions, a day is also feelings. So do not only say, I worked, I ate, I slept. That sounds like a robot with a calendar. Add feelings. I worked a lot. I felt tired. I ate dinner. It was nice. I watched a video. It made me laugh. Now it sounds like a person, a real person, a tired person, but still a person. After 1 week, you may notice something. You start thinking about your day in small English sentences. You make coffee and think, I need coffee. You finish work and think, that was hard. You lie down and think, I want to sleep. This is good. This is the road. English is moving closer to your real thoughts. After 1 month, the question, how was your day, will not feel so scary. You already answered it many times at night, alone, calmly, without pressure. So when a real person asks, your brain says, I know this road. And you answer, maybe simply, maybe slowly, but you answer. That is progress. So tonight, try the 5-minute evening English habit. No big plan, no perfect notebook, no beautiful desk with candles and a plant that looks more successful than you. Just 5 minutes. Tell your day, morning, afternoon, evening. One action, one feeling, one small detail. That's it. And now, practice in the comments. Write 3 simple sentences. Today, I felt. Now, I want to. For example, today I studied English. I felt a little tired. Now I want to sleep. That comment is not just a comment. It is your evening English habit starting right now. Do not wait for perfect English. Use the English you have tonight. Small English, simple English, real English. Because fluency does not grow from one huge lesson. It grows from small sentences that you actually use. 5 minutes. Every evening. Your day. Your words. Your English. Keep going.